Hello, my name is Chioma Ochonma. I am a beautiful woman living in Abuja, Nigeria. I love doing skincare. I love reviewing skincare products also. So in this channel, I'm going to teach you how I use my skincare, teach you skincare ingredients so that you will know the right products to buy, how to use it, how to combine it or not how to combine it. I also teach you how to take care of your natural or relaxed hairs. I also teach you how to look put together because I love being look good together, as you can see from this video. So if you're a woman above 30 years and you want to take your skincare routine seriously, you know what to do. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch me drop these videos twice every week. We are going to learn a lot and we are going to have fun together. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.